We are going to solve this differential equation in a couple of easy steps. So we are looking at y prime is equal to 2 sine of x. And the first thing that we want to do when we have an equation like that is we are going to replace our y prime with a dy over dx. This is always going to be our first step. Next thing that we are going to do is we want to separate our x's and our y's. So we're going to leave our dy on the left-hand side of our equation, and we are going to multiply both sides by dx, moving our dx to the right-hand side of our equation. You'll notice a couple of things here. First of all, in front of the dy, I'm going to put a 1 because 1 times dy is dy. We're going to actually use that. And this almost looks like we could put an integral on both sides and integrate, which is exactly what we are going to do next. So that's the next step in this. So we have the integral of 1 dy is equal to the integral of 2 sine of x dx. Next up, we integrate. Antiderivative of 1 is y. Antiderivative of the right-hand side, our 2 comes along for a ride. Our sine turns into a negative cosine of x. And we always want to tack on the plus c on the back side since this is an indefinite integral. We're going to rewrite this one more time, put that negative sign out front, cosine of x plus c. And there is the solution to our differential equation. This is the equation that works for the differential equation we started with. Thank you for listening.